Hey everybody, happy November. Welcome to my November newsletter. And I'm just going to dive right in with some market updates. What we're seeing right now is interest rates are as low as they have been in the past 3 years. So it's definitely something to talk about. But there's so much uncertainty in the government and the economy still. All the changes, the shutdown, you name it, which is still causing hesitation and buyers not to jump in like we would hope that they would. With these lower interest rates. So great news, interest rates are lower. So might be time to consider refinance if you bought in the last year and a half, 2 years or so and have high 7 interest rate. Might be a good idea to look into refinancing. If you need a good referral, let me know. But with buyers, they're still seeing some hesitation. So if you're a buyer right now and you're considering buying, I would say reach out to the lenders, see what things look like and get in because you can get a really good deal on some properties right now. I'm seeing, 20, 30,000 below market value that will probably sell much higher, much closer to the market value come springtime. So if you're in a position to buy right now, I highly consider looking into it, talking to a lender, understanding your numbers, and get out there and do it before the rest of the market wakes up in the springtime. If rates continue to stay where they're at and slowly decline, by next spring, it should be a big frenzy because there's so much pent up buyer demand. So if you are heading that path and you know you're going to buy soon, it might be a good idea to really get serious about it and jump in a little bit sooner than expected so you can beat the rush. But that's what we're seeing, through the end of the year. It's probably going to be just a slow mode. We're getting closer to the holidays. We're just slow things down. The weather's been fantastic, which is great, but we know that's not going to last forever. So, people just start to hibernate a little bit more and hunker down. So if you are one of those buyers that's willing to walk to the beat of your own drum and get out there, do it now. As a seller, you got to be patient. Buyers have a lot more houses to choose from and they are taking their time. So you need to be patient, make your house look top notch, make your property look top notch, stage it, clean it, paint it, do all the things that you need to do to make it look like the best property in the neighborhood at the best price as well. So again, broken record, I'm saying the same things over and over again, but the bright side of it is we are seeing those rates. They're not dropping repeatedly, but they did drop once the Fed announced that they were cutting rates. They've dropped and now they're staying at this lower level than what they have been over the last couple of years. So something to consider. Reach out to your favorite lender to talk about possibly refinancing if you feel like you're in, if you're at 8%, it might be time to look at that. If you're still in the sevens or low sevens, high sixes, probably best to wait a little bit longer. But you can talk to your lender about that. But anyways, I hope this helps. I hope you have a fantastic Thanksgiving holiday season. I'm grateful for you. I'm grateful for the support. And I'm just grateful for this community and the opportunity I have to serve people. So thanks so much. I hope you have a wonderful day.